Hi guys, Ralph here again. I've dug this out again. I've just been doing the Master Merlin, and I've dug the old Merlin out, and I've just stripped it down for a little because there was problems with it last time. Just everything's lit up when you turn it on, but at the minute it's temperamental. Something's not right here. It was just working a minute ago, and something's rattling there. So I'm not happy at all. Well, there you go. It's on again. I don't know what is wrong with this. Let's get these screws out. Shame if I'd lost this one. I've got the others working fine. Why are you not coming off now? Just had these pieces a second ago. Right. Something's not right here. It looks very similar to the Master Merlin. It's got everything's exactly the same. It's just diode, capacitor, LEDs and resistors. I think, to be honest, I think the problem might be is in the either switch or I think it's a switch. The lights are on there. If you can see, lights are off. It's being problematic. There's some oil down there. WD. Right. It might not work. That was the worst shot ever. Something's not right at all with this. Speaker's come loose again. Speaker just feels, that switch just feels like it's crunching. I don't know what the rattling was. Piece of glue fell off. My idea of the glue is not that good. Maybe I need more. You know what I'm thinking of doing? Is getting my heat gun and just heating the whole lot, re-solidifying the solder. How about that for an idea? I'll have a try it. Right, let me get that thing warmed up. That's up in place, and I might actually hold, because I had problems with this before, with it not actually being seated properly. It's wobbling here, so something's not pushing down on it, so I might put a bit of glue inside. So give me a second, let me warm the heat gun up and see what I can do. Something. Let me put the heat on this. I've just popped the board, top of the board with sort of like a protection layer on it, but also I've kind of destroyed the solder. Right on that one there, and that there. So what I'm going to do is get the soldering iron out and re-tin a lot of things. So, let's tidy up a little bit. That soldering iron's warming up. Time to turn. Go away, that can go there, up there. It's such a mess. Well, this is heating up. Right. Should really edit that, to be honest. Right. Iron on. These things have probably never been touched for soldering irons since 1979. So resoldering may be a good thing or a very, very bad thing. do the entire board. Yeah, let me get back to you. See what if this does anything at all. Right. Board soldered. So let's see. Every contact on there has been resoldered. Everything's in. Nothing's fallen out. So no cause for alarm. You tell me you work perfectly. Except for that switch. Yep. I think that's the fella. Right. So resoldering that, there must have been a few bits that's been well, either getting a bit old, crap solder. Actually, I did this sort of stuff from back in '79. I've been full fat solder. I wouldn't have been full leaded. Good stuff. And I think well, that's unleaded anyway. But yeah, that's a lot better sound than what it was coming out with before. Yeah. Switch is a little iffy. Yeah. Just different tones a lot of times. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get this in place, sort of. Maybe I should just put a dab on each one of these and just plop it on top of. That might not be a bad idea. It just holds everything in on there. But I do need to do the speaker again. That's a definite. I mean, to be honest, if you look on there properly, the glue looks like it's yellow, so it might have been just too hot a glue to stick on there. So, I've mucked my case up with over splurging. Right, so I'm going to get this hot enough. Actually, you dumbass. There you go. Turn it on. Jump cut. Haha. Right. Let's get on with this then, shall we? Be on there. And there were strings. I should turn this round before I did this on the metals. I still probably can, but no, it's not going well. It's not looking pretty like it used to. Melt that one. There we go, remelted that glue to place. Leave that to dry. I'm going to put a little bit on here actually. I think, yeah. Hold it in place. My benefit only this. Maybe a little bit there, maybe. Anything on the bottom I can use? Maybe a little there. Better. Ouch, shoot. Hate putting my fingers in hot glue. That's got some on it. We can get rid of it before it dries too much. Some strings. Like cobwebs, really. Completely harmless. Until you show somebody, oh, look at the spiders we've got. It's like, ah. It's not, it's just plastic. there. Oh, you little bugger. Nearly put the speaker cables in the hole for the where the screw goes. In on in. Right, I have faith that this is not going to work. That should hold the back of the plastic on here, should hold the board down in place enough for the glue to dry a lot better. And there you go, on Merlin, perfect. Right, let's just try something and stake your reputation on this as on. Oh, get in, you beauty. Perfect. So the problem with the Merlin was dry solder joints, cracked solder joints, knackered solder joints. So we've got a near perfect Merlin in the box with the instructions, no innard. So that's 3 of these Palitoy games we've got now, all fully working. Let's get some down to the way. It's bloody weighing it. So we redid the Master Merlin, redid the split second. I'm really happy with that. I'm happy with that one being back, as it were. I had a funny feeling about either have to get another one of them or Amanda's got one of these, partner, and she had the same thing. Everybody seemed to have one in the late 70s, early 80s, but hers works perfect. Mine didn't, hence the videos. But all spot on, perfect, working. Thank you. Catch you in the next video. Bye.